Meghalaya legislators belonging to the opposition Congress have expressed sympathy with Meghalaya government lower primary contractual teachers who are under the verge of being terminated of the services for not qualifying the Meghalaya teachers' eligibility test examination. A sizable number of Congress leaders yesterday met these teachers who were on a hunger strike at Malki Ground in Shillong. Speaking to the media, Congress legislator H.M. Shangpliang said there is no justification for the state government to terminate their services, as many have served between 10 to 15 years with efficiency. He also said if the state government terminates them, where will they go? He said the state government will have to take the responsibility on the fate of the teachers if the teachers are terminated.
All these teachers' friends who are under hunger strike. Indeed, it is a very sad note to see that so many teachers are undergoing hunger strike. These are the teachers who were appointed on contractual basis by the government, and now suddenly they find themselves on the streets. They've been removed, or rather dismissed from the service. Therefore, these teachers are demanding their rights. They are here demanding their rights to be re-employed by the government. They may have failed the MTET exams, we understand, but there are ways and means, we guess, and possibilities for the government to find out alternative ways of engaging these teachers who have put in about 10 to 15 years of service. Now this 10 to 15 years of service is a big service and a big experience which they have in their hands. Therefore, the government cannot just throw them away and say that we don't need you anymore. Now these teachers already have a lot of experience in their hands. Therefore, we appeal to the government to accommodate them in whatever vacancies that are available throughout the state. We can understand we cannot demand accommodation in one district, but all these teachers can be spread out and can be accommodated in other districts as well. This is a serious matter. As legislators from the Congress party, we are going to raise this issue very strongly in the floor of the House from Monday onwards. We are going to demand the government that on a humanitarian ground, the government should accept the demands of these teachers and they should be re-employed and accommodated again in the vacancies. We should understand that at this juncture, when there are a lot of vacancies in schools, there are a lot of vacancies in various rural areas. Even in my constituencies, there are still a lot of vacancies because there were MTET teachers who have even failed in their personal interviews. Now, who will go and fill their gaps? Therefore, government should again review, the government should analyze the vacancies, and then accordingly they should place such people again back into the vacancies as well.